In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable outline that helps readers jump straight to the sections they care about, and you'll know exactly how to tweak it so it fits your page perfectly. First, open the Confluence page where you want the table of contents to appear. Make sure you're on the specific page that needs the outline, since the table of contents will only reference headings on that page. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll be working in edit mode for the rest of the setup, and nothing is live until you publish. Before adding the table of contents, add headings to the main sections of your page. The table of contents relies on heading styles, not just bold or large text. Highlight each section title and pick a heading level from the toolbar, like heading 1 for top-level sections, heading 2 for subsections, and heading 3 for details under those. Keep your structure consistent. A clear hierarchy helps the macro build a neat, logical outline that's easy to scan. Now, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually near the top of the page below any introductory text. Type the / key, then start typing table of contents. This opens the macro browser so you can quickly find what you need. Select the table of contents macro. You'll see a placeholder appear in the editor. If your page already has headings, you might see a preview of how the list will look. Adjust the macro settings if needed. This is where you control how detailed the outline is and how it's displayed. You can choose which heading levels to include, such as only heading 1 and heading 2 for a concise overview, or include deeper levels for more detail. You can switch between a bulleted or numbered list, and you can include or exclude specific headings if there are sections you don't want to appear. Keep the outline focused and readable. Too many levels can make it feel cluttered. When you're happy with the setup, publish the page. After it loads, test the table of contents by clicking a few entries to make sure each one jumps to the correct section. If a link doesn't work, double check that the target text is formatted as a proper heading and not just style text. Any changes you make to headings will be reflected the next time you update and publish. That's it. You've added a polished, reliable table of contents to your Confluence page.